Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got India versus Belgium. India versus Belgium for this fourth day of the Homless World Cup. Belgium playing in white, and India usually playing white, but they got the blue bibs today. India got some difficult games in this Homless World Cup. They lost a few games with like double digits. Let's see what they can do against this Belgian team. I haven't seen Team Belgium play yet, so we'll see how it goes for them. Number 11 there up front for India. Actually, now he dropped back. Very quick feet. He's probably their best player. Not doing too bad, India, on the beginning of this game. With Belgium on the attack there. Goalkeeper straight out. Playing quite fast there. Has a shot. Good save by the keeper. So still 0-0 between Belgium and India. Let's see who can open the score first. Two Belgian defenders there running into each other. As we see Portugal and Brazil warming up behind the Belgian keeper, which is the next game. That's going to be a cracker. Ooh, good shot by Belgium there, right in the top hand corner. Belgium opening the score 1-0. Referee calls the foul against India. In case you haven't noticed, oh nice. Goalkeeper was nowhere there. 2-0 for Belgium. India need to come back quickly. So many games they fell back early in the games, so they got to watch out. If they can come back quickly to 2-2, they could definitely help them. Almost losing the ball there. So I was saying the referee, in case you haven't noticed, is the referee from the 1998 World Cup that showed a red card to Mr. David Beckham. Helping out here at the Homless World Cup, so that's great to see. India with an opportunity there. Slip there, unfortunate. 11 intercepts the ball for India. Counter attack for Belgium, has a chance straight at the keeper, and now it's back to India. Now the Belgian defender managed to get a hold of that ball. Good save by the keeper, straight out. Can he get a hold of it? Belgian defender came back quickly. No, says the referee. It's a throw for Belgium. And another goal by Belgium. Another goal by Belgium. Too easy. Had all the time in the world there. Took a shot with the toes.